Have you ever imagined having a tool that could answer any question, compose a poem, or even assist you with your studies? Well, now you can. Meet ChatGPT, an innovative chatbot powered by artificial intelligence. ChatGPT is revolutionizing our interaction with technology, making it more accessible and engaging than ever before. In this exploration, we'll delve into the fascinating world of ChatGPT. We'll uncover how it operates, examine its capabilities, and discover its applications in our everyday lives. Prepare to unlock the transformative potential of AI with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is like an incredibly intelligent computer program that you can converse with. It can comprehend your questions and respond in a manner that feels natural and human-like. Whether you're seeking information, creative inspiration, or simply a friendly conversation, ChatGPT is here to support and inspire you. So how does ChatGPT work its magic? The answer lies in a fascinating field called natural language processing. Simply put, NLP enables computers to understand and use human language. Think of it like teaching a machine to read, write, and speak just like us. ChatGPT uses a special type of NLP called a large language model. This model is trained on a massive amount of text data, allowing it to learn the patterns and nuances of human language. Imagine feeding a computer every book, article, and website on the internet. That's the scale of data we're talking about. This vast knowledge base allows ChatGPT to generate human-quality text, translate languages, and even write different kinds of creative content. It's like having a walking, talking encyclopedia at your fingertips. One of the most impressive things about ChatGPT is its ability to learn and adapt over time. Unlike traditional computer programs that follow pre-programmed rules, ChatGPT can analyze your input, understand the context, and respond accordingly. Let's say you ask ChatGPT, "What's the weather like in Mumbai?" It will not only provide you with the current temperature, but can also give you the forecast for the week ahead. If you then ask, "Do I need an umbrella?" ChatGPT remembers your previous question and understands that you're referring to Mumbai's weather. It might respond with, "Yes, it's best to carry an umbrella as rain is expected." This ability to engage in meaningful conversations makes ChatGPT feel more human-like and less like a machine. It's like having a conversation with a knowledgeable friend who is always ready to help. To make ChatGPT even smarter and more engaging, developers use a technique called reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. Think of it like training a puppy. You reward good behavior and discourage bad behavior. In RLHF, human AI trainers have conversations with ChatGPT and rate its responses based on factors like accuracy, relevance, and helpfulness. These ratings are then fed back into the model, allowing it to learn from its mistakes and improve its responses over time. This continuous feedback loop helps ChatGPT become more accurate, coherent, and engaging with each interaction. It's like having a personal tutor for AI, ensuring that it learns to communicate in a way that feels natural and intuitive to us. Now that we understand the technology behind ChatGPT, let's explore how it can be used in our daily lives. From students to professionals, ChatGPT has something to offer everyone. Imagine you're a student struggling with a history essay. ChatGPT can help you research the topic, generate ideas, and even suggest relevant sources. For professionals, ChatGPT can draft emails, summarize lengthy documents, and even brainstorm marketing campaigns. But ChatGPT's applications go beyond just work and studies. It can help you write a heartfelt birthday message, compose a poem for a loved one, or even generate creative story ideas for your next novel. The possibilities are endless. The rise of AI assistants like ChatGPT has the potential to revolutionize various sectors in India and beyond. In a country with over 22 official languages, ChatGPT can bridge communication gaps and make information accessible to a wider audience. Imagine farmers in rural India using ChatGPT to access information about weather patterns, crop prices, and government schemes in their local language. Or students in remote areas using ChatGPT as a virtual tutor to get personalized learning experiences. Moreover, ChatGPT can automate customer service tasks, provide 24/7 assistance, and improve efficiency across industries. From healthcare to finance, the applications of ChatGPT are vast and hold immense potential for growth and innovation. As AI technology continues to evolve, We can expect even more sophisticated and versatile AI assistants like ChatGPT in the future. These assistants will be able to understand our emotions, personalize our interactions, and seamlessly integrate into our daily lives. While there are valid concerns about the ethical implications of AI, it's important to remember that AI is a tool. Like any tool, it can be used for good or bad. It's up to us as humans to guide its development and ensure that it's used responsibly and ethically. The future of AI is a collaborative one, where humans and machines work together to create a better world for everyone. So let's embrace the potential of AI and explore the endless possibilities it holds for our future.